Welcome to the 23rd installment of Quest, Odeon. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Odeon delivers a subtly cinematic aesthetic that allows the narrative of your photo to be told in a richly dynamic way. Each of the three base presets offers a uniquely beautiful starting point for your image, while the three color grade presets can be layered on top and used in conjunction with the preset amount slider to further dial in the look. The Odeon Creative Profile gives ultimate flexibility by adjusting the highlights and shadows across the image, giving total control over dynamic range. In addition, tools such as Anamorphic Flare, Cinematic Haze, Background Texture, and Black Bars use Adobe's advanced mask features to bring a creative edge to your work. AQ23-1, neutral color palette that brings a balance of warmth and cool tonality, resulting in a faithful yet stylistic look. AQ23-2, calming blues, soft magenta highlights, and myrtle greens create a gentle yet crisp cinematic style. AQ23-3, a distinct push in warmth along with the saturated blues and yellow greens, give this preset a rich, harmonious feel.